Let's make this easy butter bread recipe, Ghana butter bread recipe. Okay, this was very easy to put together. It is very soft, very fluffy. Oh my goodness, the best and the perfect bread made at home. Just look at that. Hello, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. If today is the first time here, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. So in my bowl, I have with me here 4 cups of water. That is warm, okay, not cold or chilled. And I've added 2 tablespoons of yeast. I'll then go ahead and then add my sugar. So I added 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less, okay, and that should be okay. So that is the sugar I have added. I will mix it very well and then keep it in a warm place till I see bubble on top, just like this. If you are using instant yeast, you don't have to go through this process, but I'm using dry yeast. Now I'll go ahead and then add my 12 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour, bread flour, any flour that you want to use, okay. Now I'll add it to that and then we can proceed. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I'm so grateful. Now I'll go ahead and then add my sugar. Usually that is how we measure the sugar, okay. It is supposed to be level up, okay, but I decided to measure it just like this. That is how I want it, and that was my 1/3 cup, and I used two of that, okay. Now I'll go ahead and then add my nutmeg to this. So that is a tablespoon of nutmeg, and you can go ahead and add some salt, a pinch of salt to it, but I will be using salted butter, so there is no need to add any salt to it. I'll go ahead and then mix this very well to achieve that perfect dough, and then we can proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. You can actually use your whole milk instead of the water, okay, but that is what I want to use and I love it. Now you can as well use your evaporated milk and then dilute it with some warm water as well. One may ask, and that is the question I usually get in my comment section, okay. So I am saying you dilute it because we don't want a situation whereby you go and buy 5 cans of evaporated milk and then use for this, okay. That will not be necessary. If you get just a tin of milk, you can dilute it and you are good to go. That is why I always say dilute. Yeah, that is just by the way. Now I hope you all understand it now. So we are just in the process of forming the dough, and when we are done forming it, we will proceed. If you want short videos, please do well to follow us on all social media platforms, like a minute duration video or less than a minute. Trust me, we have detailed videos, detailed recipes that we do it under a minute or a minute duration video. Yes, so follow us for more videos, including our YouTube shorts. Now this is too big, and if you know me very well, I have tiny hands. My hands are very tiny, okay. Yes, my body is tiny as well. I'm very tiny, so we are just going to knead it bit by bit and then we proceed. In all, we are going to, before I get to the quantity of the butter, we will be adding it to it bit by bit and use it to knead the dough, okay. That is how we are going to do that. So in all, we are going to use a stick plus half, so 1.5 sticks of butter. That is what we are going to do. we will knead it bit by bit. And after I was done with it, I decided to add it back so that I can knead it. But see, it wasn't working. The hands, oh my goodness, they are tiny, so I had to divide it again and then do it bit by bit before we can continue. If you've watched me from the beginning till now, it means you like the video you are watching. Please do well to like the video, share to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section and I will be very, very grateful. I just want to make sure that I knead the dough very well. Okay, this is not about 20 minutes kneading. Okay, I kneaded the dough about 45 minutes. Knead it very well. Now you can see that I've divided it again because the hand was not handing. My hands are tiny. Yes, so I do it bit by bit and then later add it back and then divide it again. That is what I do. Okay, so we are done with everything. And I said earlier, in all we use 1.5 sticks of butter, and 1 stick of butter makes half cup. Okay, so that would be half cup plus quarter cup. So do well to know that. Okay, you should know that. If you want to add more, you can go ahead and then do so. If you want to reduce it, you can go ahead and then do so. Now, as you can see, the other part is at the other side. Yes, I am just doing it bit by bit so I get it perfect. Now I have that soft dough and I have everything together. I'm just going to make sure I keep this in a warm place for some time so it increases in size. Okay, yes, so that is what I am doing. Now this is basically depends on the weather at your end. My place is very hot, so after 30 minutes this was okay, and just look at that, perfect. I'm just going to remove some of the air out so that we can continue. So that is what I am doing. Just look at that, so good, very soft, perfect dough, and the outcome was perfect. So I am actually preparing I prepared this for grandma. Okay, grandma left and I made this for her. Grandma really loves my bread, so she wanted to send some away and she needed just one, so I decided to use one for the camera for you to see that it was very soft, and she sent one away. She really loved my bread. For that one, no one can take that. Okay, yes, and my bread is always the best because I don't add a lot of sugar to it. Now, even if it's sugar bread, okay, I don't add a lot of sugar. Now I use my rolling pin to roll it. I have my cinnamon sugar, and just watch the screen how I am doing this, and then we can proceed. If you are still with me, hello, thank you so much for your time. I'm so grateful, and please do well to follow us or subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that. And we have another channel, the name is Recipe Goddess. Kindly follow us there for more videos. Follow us on all social media platforms if you want short videos, and let me see your comments in the comment section if you think this was very helpful. Okay, and let me know if you will try this. Trust me, if you try it, you will love it. Homemade bread is always the best. Now we are going to make it another style. Okay, so with this we are just going to mold it like how we mold our fruit or dry puff in Ghana, and I am just going to add some of the cinnamon as well. As for the cinnamon, it is the signature. Okay, we can't prepare bread without that because we love the smell and it is also good. Now you see, and we are just going to do it again for you to see how it is done, and after that I will arrange everything in my pan and show you how it looks. So this is how the first one looks like. Okay, perfect. We got 3 there, and then the second one we got about 10, and then the third one we got 6. We are just going to keep this in the one place for an hour, and just look at that. I'll close it. My oven is at 350 Fahrenheit, and I am just going to bake this till it is ready. When it is ready and you want to know, just insert some toothpick or skewer in it, and when it comes out clean, it means it is ready. But make sure you do not bring it out before you insert that in. It should be in the oven whilst you open the oven and then insert the skewer in. Our bread is ready. Just look at that. So simple, easy, and perfect. So the voice in the voiceover was different. Please forgive me. I was cooking, so I had to check on the food, do small voiceover, check on it again. It is not easy, but we will do it. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till now. You see, it's worth it, eh? Perfect. So try this and let me know in the comment section how it went. And I know you are going to get that perfect outcome. Just look at that. So soft and good. If I'm able to do it, you can also do that. Look at that. Thank you so much. Till I come your way next time, always remember to do good, love yourself first, and always know that I love you. I will see you in the next one, and trust me, oh my goodness, you can't afford to miss the next upload. So stay tuned, and I will say bye to you. Bye bye.